Activity we will be making today origami craft. So before that, let's see what materials we need. First, we will need A3 art sheet or your art books if you have, and then second, A4 size any color sheet from which you can tear a square paper, big square paper, or if you have a small craft paper, marble paper, or any type of craft paper, you can use that. And two googly eyes. It's optional. If you don't have, no worries, you can make the eyes with the help of black sketch pen or black marker. Then one black marker, then oil pastels or crayons or pencil colors, any one medium you can use, your glue stick or glue tube. Okay, so let's begin with the activity. Here you can see a small crab, and here I've made a big crab with A4 size sheet, because from A4 you can make a big square cutout. So let's begin. Please watch the steps carefully. This is marble paper or any craft paper you can take. So the color side down, make a triangle fold or diagonal fold. Press the crease from the center, open it, again do a diagonal fold, other side, press the crease from the center, see to it all the lines are equal, touching each other. So you got the X mark, that is the guideline. Turn it over, make a half fold, press the crease, unfold it, again flip it over, you can see the center line, guideline. Now just hold two ends, center ends from both the sides, and bring it to the center, making a triangle fold. Press edges from both the sides. See how you will get. You will get like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you can see. Okay. Now let's see now what to do. Turn it. How many flaps are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take this flap from the left side and just make a small slant fold. We are making the legs of the crab. Take this on the left side. Now take the front flap, first flap, fold it down, slant fold, again press the crease, bring this again back. Now turn it. Now see the base straight, make a little fold upwards, press again, turn around. Now see this as a center point, this tip. Hold one flap and see the center and hold it upwards. Press it again. Same procedure on the other side. Hold it down and hold it upwards in slant direction. Press it again. Now from the tip, bottom tip, fold it upwards, little fold. If you want to make this more pointed, you can make it more pointed. So it's done. can stick googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can use black marker or black sketch pen. Small googly eyes we need. If you don't have black sketch pen, again I am repeating, googly eyes, you can make the eyes with black sketch pen. Okay, you can make as many as you want, students. I have created a beautiful scenery in the background, beach scenery, made a sand, water and skyline. You can add coconut leaves. I have used these oil pastels: light blue, medium, dark blue, dark green, medium, yellow, orange, yellow ochre, mango color for the beach, and blue shades for the water and sky, also blue, and for the sun, yellow and orange. For the leaves, dark green, light green. I'll show you how to make a leaf. Just draw a line. Keep on making line strokes for the leaves. I'm using colors directly. If you want to draw first, you can draw and then color. Add yellow line in the center. You can create beautiful background directly with colors your wish, and then we can stick our crafts accordingly. First we'll stick the big crab in the center, add the glue behind. Stick it neatly. You can create baby crabs as well. You can create shadows below with the help of orange.